To be honest, going self-employed is something I've always wanted to do. And because of COVID, I was basically forced to.
So my partner's a plasterer and he's always been self-employed, really aspired to his business model, and that's what encouraged me to become a self-employed electrician.
I'd worked for corporations for around about 30 years and I just had this burning ambition inside me to go and do something for myself.
First 3 things I've done were set up a website,
I got a Facebook page,
Put my website live.
joined Checkatrade,
and then I went to some networking events as well.
and hoped that the phone would ring. And to be fair, it did. On day 1, I got 2 calls. I was so excited.
I think my biggest fear was money because I was so used to a stable wage.
So when I first went out to my first job on my own, that was quite scary.
Suddenly going from working in a big company with lots of people to working at home alone, I was quite lonely. My best advice would be to make sure that you fit in health and well-being as well as everything else you've got to do during the day.
Ideally, I'd say to anyone starting out to try and get some savings behind them so they had something to fall back on.
The most important thing has got to be the most boring thing, which is keep an eye on your finances.
I'd definitely say get an accountant, get your bookkeeping organised.
Before I started, I thought success would be my phone ringing constantly every day.
Being my own boss, deciding my own start and finish times, my own salary.
Now I realise that success for me is not having to go back and work for somebody else.
The golden rule I found of running a business is if you get knocked down, as the song goes, you have to get up again and never ever give up.